How to view statement of account in BDO. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and if any day you would like to view your statement of account in BDO but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you tap on the Google Chrome on your mobile device, now in the search icon of your Google Chrome, you have to search BDO.com. After you tap on BDO.com, now it will take you to an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until it shows here. Sometimes it may not be reload as fast due to your internet connection, but if your internet connection is fast and reliable, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now what you have to do is you have to go to the options like this, and here you have to log in to your very account in BDO. If you did not find the option of login here, you can go to the option of login BDO once again and then tap on like this. Now here you can tap on the option of the BDO Online platform. After tapping on this, now what you have to do is you can see an interface like this. Now you have to log into your account just tapping on your account information and your account credentials here. After that, when you tap on your account credentials, now what happens is that you can see the option of your account opening. There you have to tap on the option of account information. After tapping on account information, now you have to go to the option of my status of account. After tapping on my status of account, now you have to tap on the option of account and time period. After tapping on account and time period, now you can see the option of your very statement of account. Now you have to download it, and this way you can find it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.